Finally, we have the official renders of Huawei P40 Lite, P40 and P40 Pro, and these are not 360 renders, but also we have done the higher resolution renders, but yeah, we can see enough to get design details of P40 series. So let's have a look at this square shaped camera module. We have already seen its design info, but now we have got the clear images of camera setup, and courtesy of Android Headlines who provided these renders. So P40 Pro camera setup is almost same like P40, and this is a bumped camera setup, same like we have seen on Pixel 4 series and iPhone 11 series. Along with these cameras, we have a little sensor, not sure if this is a TOF sensor or a macro lens. You can clearly see these modules of base and higher variants. First one, that is P40 Lite, has 3 lenses, and the second one is P40 that has 4 lenses. But in this camera module, maybe the fourth one is EOF or maybe macro lens. And then third one is P40 Pro, that is the higher end variant that has penta camera system. Obviously with that, periscope lens will give you 10x optical zoom, and this lens can be seen in the last image where it is shaped in square module. And on all of these 3 models we also have dual soft flashlight, and at the front side we have a pill shaped camera module, and it is actually totally same as we have seen on the last year's Samsung flagship, that was S10 Plus. And this pill shaped camera module will obviously have 2 camera lenses in it, but it is also not confirmed that with a primary lens there could be another lens, or it may also be a TOF sensor for your better facial recognition to unlock your phone. But unfortunately no Pixel information has been leaked till now, so we have to wait for it, and it will be available in 5 different colors: black, blush gold, silver frost, deep sea blue and ice white. And it is expected to launch in March 2020. So I hope I will get more information about this phone before the launch event, and I will let you know guys instantly. Till that, stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one.